You want to establish a prosperous online business, but do not know where to start? The journey becomes smoother with the right tools and techniques in your arsenal. In this video, I'll walk you through a systematic approach to building an online business and the must-have tools that can facilitate each step of the journey to establish a thriving online venture. First step: attracting prospects with landing pages and funnels. Attracting prospects, the lifeblood of any online venture, is paramount, starting with the landing page, the first impression that counts. These pages are laser focused to prompt one action, driving towards the ultimate goal: conversion. The funnel encapsulates this journey. Essential elements of an effective landing page include an engaging headline to seize attention, clear, quality visuals to communicate your message, a distinct call to action for users to follow, trust-building testimonials and reviews, mobile responsiveness crucial for the mobile audience. Among many tools, ClickFunnels is noted for its ease of use, even for non-techies. With a simple drag-and-drop editor, it provides a variety of ready-to-use conversion-optimized templates. For details about ClickFunnels and other tools discussed in this video, refer to the links in the description. Second step: broadening your reach. Expanding your reach is crucial once you have a compelling landing page. Leveraging tools like email marketing, social media, and SEO can attract new prospects and convert interested visitors into customers. Let's start with marketing email. Email marketing stands out for its direct engagement with users through valuable content in their inboxes, which can transform prospects into loyal customers. Key email marketing practices include crafting attention-grabbing subject lines, tailoring messages to segmented audience groups, ensuring mobile optimization, complying with data protection laws. Effective email marketing fosters strong customer relationships and meaningful engagements with your audience, thereby driving sales. For this, ActiveCampaign is highly recommended. More than just an email service, it offers comprehensive automation, CRM, and analytics features. Its ease of use, versatility in integration, and robust analytics make ActiveCampaign a powerful tool for personal and impactful audience communication. Once you have their attention, the next step is engagement. This means keeping your audience interested and, more importantly, keeping your business at the forefront of their minds. The way to do this is social media management. Social media management is essential for your online business to boost your visibility, customer engagement, and growth. Key practices include maintaining an active presence to increase brand awareness, engaging with customers to foster trust and loyalty, gathering immediate feedback for product or service enhancement, driving more traffic to your website or platform. Effective social media management involves crafting content that appeals to your audience, timing your posts for maximum reach and consistency, interacting with followers to build community, analyzing engagement data to fine-tune your approach, analysis of metrics to understand performance and adjust strategies. Content Studio stands out for planning and automating social media tasks. It allows for easy scheduling and automation of posts, cross-platform content synchronization for steady audience engagement, detailed analytics to inform and improve your content strategy, collaborative tools for team content efforts. The third way to amplify attraction is the smart selection of keywords. This is called SEO, short for search engine optimization, is crucial for online visibility. Without it, your business may remain unseen and unsought. SEO encompasses on-page SEO, tailoring content and meta elements to target keywords, off-page SEO, gaining backlinks from authoritative sources that point towards your content and enhance credibility, technical SEO, optimizing site speed and mobile compatibility, keyword research, discovering what potential customers search for online. SEO benefits include boosts visibility and brings targeted traffic, increasing chances for conversion, enhances credibility, high search rankings can build user trust, provides cost-effective marketing with long-term benefits cheaper than paid advertising, offers market insights through keyword trend analysis. For comprehensive SEO analysis, SEMrush and Mangools are top tools. SEMrush provides in-depth SEO and digital marketing insights, while Mangools focuses on user-friendly keyword research and competition analysis. These tools are key in ensuring your content ranks well in search engines. For YouTube content, vidIQ is essential, offering detailed analytics and optimization tips to help your videos stand out. The third step towards success is analyzing users' behavior. To boost business success, analyze the customer journey in your sales funnel and track a potential customer's path with discovery to purchase. One way to do this is mapping out your sales funnel. The sales funnel is a metaphorical representation of the journey that your potential customers take, from the moment they become aware of your brand to the point they make a purchase. Mapping out this funnel helps in optimizing your strategies and increases the likelihood of converting a casual browser into a loyal customer. Key sales funnel stages: awareness, customers learn about your brand; interest, they engage more by subscribing or following; decision, they consider purchasing; action, they make a purchase. Regularly assess your sales funnel to identify where customers drop off and adjust your strategies for better conversion rates. Funalytics maps and analyzes your funnel, providing insights to refine tactics and improve conversion success. The second way is analyzing users' behavior on your website. This can provide valuable insights and drive modifications. The better you know your visitors, the more effectively you can cater to their needs and tailor your sales strategies. Monitor these metrics: engagement, user interaction levels, bounce rate, single-page visitors, conversion rate, actions taken like purchases or signups. Of course, once you have the data, it's essential to interpret it in the context of your business goals. For example, high traffic but low conversions may indicate a pricing issue or lack of compelling product details. A high bounce rate might reveal irrelevant content or poor user experience. Hotjar offers heat maps and session recordings to show where users click, scroll, and how they navigate through your site. With such data, you can continuously refine and optimize your website for better conversion rates. The fourth step to develop your online business is delegating and automating to work smarter, not harder. As your business grows, tasks can become overwhelming. Delegating and automating can free up your time, letting you focus on core business strategies and enhancing your efficiency. Let's first talk about delegating. Delegating can be a game changer, as it not only boosts productivity, but also allows for scalability. The key aspects of delegation are identification of tasks that are repetitive or outside your expertise, outsource to skilled individuals or services, ensure clear instructions and expectations. The platforms Fiverr and Upwork connect you with freelancers skilled in various domains, from content creation to web development, making it easy to recruit the person with the skills you need. The second way is automation. Automation refers to the use of software tools or algorithms to perform tasks typically needing human effort. It is crucial because it increases efficiency and productivity. It allows scalability and cost savings. It reduces error. We have already talked about tools to automate several key tasks. Another must-have tool is Make.com. This platform offers comprehensive tools for designing, collaborating, and publishing your content, all in one place. It offers an easy dashboard, analytics, and templates to optimize your projects. Staying organized is essential, especially as your business expands. It enhances efficiency and decision-making, projects professionalism, and lessens stress. Two elements are pivotal here. First, task and time management. ClickUp excels in task management, time tracking, goal setting, and customizable views. offering Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and collaboration tools. Its customizable views facilitate workflow, integration, and team collaboration. The second crucial aspect is to secure storage solutions, safeguarding your critical data. Data safety is paramount. Essential features for secure storage include encryption, multi-factor authentication, cloud solutions with advanced security, regular backups, and role-based access. For storage, pCloud shines as a secure cloud option, offering robust file storage with unparalleled security. It allows you to access files anywhere, anytime, across all devices. It provides file sync, shared folders, media playback, and top-notch encryption. Maintaining and growing a business requires ongoing improvement efforts, particularly in boosting conversion rates. I'll condense 5 strategies and tools discussion to maintain essential details. The first strategy is social proof. Social proof is a potent psychological tool in marketing, influencing purchasing decisions. It is based on the idea that if many people endorse a behavior or product, then it's likely a wise choice. Studies have consistently shown that showcasing satisfied customer testimonials or reviews not only boosts brand trust, but also significantly drives conversions and sales. The best tools for social proof are Wiser Notify and Nudgify. With these tools, you can guide your audience down your conversion funnel, leveraging the power of intuitive social proof pop-ups and real-time feedback. Every notification is customizable. These platforms make users act on impulse. The second strategy is live chat. Live chat emerges more and more as a pivotal tool in bridging the gap between you and your customers. Live chat is no longer just convenient. It's expected for superior customer service. It provides immediate, personable support, fostering customer loyalty and allowing you to gather insights on customer needs. Live Chat platform offers an intuitive interface that ensures swift customer interactions, accompanied by features like real-time traffic monitoring and automated greetings. Meanwhile, Olark stands out with its customizable chat box design and team performance metrics. These platforms will improve your support efficiency like never before. The third strategy is understanding your audience better. Knowing your audience is critical for effective marketing and protects you against changing consumer landscapes. Tailor your approach and make informed decisions by using surveys and feedback forms. Tools like Quiz Interact facilitate this with customizable quizzes and analytics to track user engagement, aiding in lead segmentation. The fourth strategy is selling through webinars. Webinars allow you to connect with attendees personally, demonstrate your product's value, and directly address questions. By promoting limited seats, exclusive bonuses, or time-sensitive discounts, you can leverage the psychology of fear of missing out, or FOMO, to encourage immediate signups and purchases. With follow-up emails and special offers for attendees, you can increase sales. Webinar Jam offers real-time HD streaming capabilities, interactive chat, and dynamic presentation tools, while EverWebinar will enable you to automate your sessions and enable potential customers to access them anytime. Both platforms offer seamless integrations, advanced scheduling options, and analytics to measure your success. The fifth strategy is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most potent tools in the digital marketing toolbox. What is affiliate marketing? It is a performance-based marketing approach where a business rewards external partners, or affiliates, for generating traffic or sales. Essentially, it's a commission-based system where you only pay when a specific action like a sale occurs. Affiliate marketing matters is cost-effective. You pay affiliates only for results. It broadens your reach into new audiences and markets. It enhances your credibility, your scalability, and has SEO benefits through quality backlinks. Post Affiliate Pro platform is packed with top-tier features and offers real-time tracking, detailed reporting, and automation of your affiliate program. It offers SEO-friendly tools, direct link tracking, and an intuitive dashboard. It really helps to recruit, monitor, and reward affiliates easily and efficiently. For e-commerce businesses, centralizing sales channels can increase efficiency. With many platforms, marketplaces, and sales channels available, you have lots of options to reach your target audience. However, managing multiple outlets can be an arduous task. Centralizing your e-commerce outlets helps inventory management, efficient order processing, and data analytics. The best tool for this is Cinder. Cinder stands out by integrating with numerous e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, and Square, but also with payment gateways such as Stripe, PayPal, and Square, and accounting softwares including QuickBooks and Xero, streamlining operations effectively. Always updated, Cinder's expanding integration list is worth checking on their website. The online business landscape is vast and competitive. Equip yourself with these platforms and you will witness a tangible difference in your business trajectory. If you liked this video, feel free to watch this one, which is complimentary. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.